Okay guys, here we are. We're at the, where are we?
Dust Bowl.
Say that again so people can hear.
We're at the Dust Bowl and I'm just going to be riding around the track.
Okay, and why do they call it the Dust Bowl?
Because there's a lot of dust and it's kind of like a bowl with tracks.
It kind of is. I mean, you have a look around and she's dry, she's dusty. There's many places you can disappear into.
Yeah.
What's the most important thing we do before we ride our bikes, mate?
Get the gear on.
Get the gear on, right? So what do we need? We need boots, right? So without your boots, what happens?
You might crash and...
Well, you might break your ankle, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we got gloves. We need gloves for...
grip on the handlebars.
Plus also protection from the prickles and the gorse. There's lots of gorse around here.
Yep.
Oh, we got chest armour. Okay, what is that going to save?
My chest and back.
Your ribs as well, yes. Okay, and most importantly, we've got helmet and goggles. Okay, so we don't crack your head open like an eggshell.
And dust doesn't get in your eyes.
That's correct, because if you can't see where you're going, what's going to happen?
You will crash.
That's right. So let's go make some dust, son.
Yep.
Start her up. There he goes. Oh.